Hello children, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn a lesson from our grammar textbook. The name of the lesson is Adjectives and Kinds of Adjectives. Adjective is one of the parts of speech. We know that there are 8 parts of speech in English and adjective is one among them. Let's learn what's an adjective. Adjectives are words used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Words used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Children, we have already learned what is a noun and what is a pronoun. Noun is the name and pronoun is the word used instead of noun. So, adjectives are words used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. It describes a noun or pronoun. Also, we can say an adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun or pronoun. Let's see some examples. Rose is a beautiful flower. Here the word beautiful adds to the meaning of the noun flower. So it can be called an adjective. That means the word beautiful describes the noun flower. What kind of a flower? Beautiful flower. So we can say the word beautiful is called an adjective. Monkeys have long tails. Here, the word long in the sentence adds to the meaning of the noun tails. That means the word long describes the noun tails. So we can say the word long is an adjective that describes the noun tails. Another example, Mummy baked a delicious cake. Here the word delicious describes the noun cake. So we can say the word delicious is an adjective. What kind of a cake did Mummy bake? Yes, delicious cake. So we can say the word delicious is an adjective. One more example. Rahul is a rich man. Here the word rich is the adjective because it describes or qualifies the noun man. So we can say the word rich is an adjective. Now let's see different kinds of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, and proper adjective. Let's learn the adjective of quality. What do you mean by adjective of quality? Adjectives that express the kind or quality of a person or thing are called adjectives of quality. Once again, the adjectives that express the kind or quality of a person or thing are called adjectives of quality. Since they describe a person or thing, they are also called descriptive adjectives. Let's see some examples, children. Look at these sentences. Kolkata is a large city. Renu is a beautiful girl. I like ripe mangoes. Tiger is a strong animal. Here, the adjectives large, beautiful, ripe, and strong tell us of what kind a place, person, thing, or animal is. So, they are called the adjectives of quality. They tell us the kind or quality of the noun. Remember one thing, children. The adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. Here, in these sentences, we can see in the first sentence, Kolkata is a large city. What kind of a city is Kolkata? Yes, it is a large city. So, we can say the adjective large is the answer to the question of what kind. See the second sentence. Renu is a beautiful girl. What kind of a girl? Beautiful girl. Third sentence. I like ripe mangoes. What kind of mangoes? Ripe mangoes. And the fourth sentence. Tiger is a strong animal. What kind of animal? Strong animal. So, adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. Now listen children, adjectives of quality can be used in two different ways. They are attributively and predicatively. Let's see how adjectives of qualities can be used attributively. Here, the adjective is used along with the noun. Look at these sentences. He lives in a small house. This is a black cat. Here, the adjective small is used along with the noun house. That means the noun comes soon after the adjective. Look at the second sentence. This is a black cat. Here, in this sentence, the adjective black is used along with the noun cat. So, attributively means the adjective is used along with the noun. Now we can see how adjectives of quality can be used predicatively. Here, the adjective is used along with the verb. Look at the following sentences. His house is small. The cat is black. Here in the first sentence, the adjective small is used along with the verb is. That means the adjective comes soon after the verb. Look at the second sentence. The cat is black. Here also, the adjective black is used along with the verb is. That means the adjective is used soon after the verb. Is it clear, children? So, what did we learn today? Adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Then we found that there are different kinds of adjectives. Among that, first one is adjectives of quality. What do you mean by adjectives of quality? Yes, adjectives that express the kind or quality of a person or a thing are called adjectives of quality. Since they describe a person or a thing, they are also called descriptive adjectives. And adjectives of quality answer the questions of what kind. Adjectives of quality can be used in two ways. One is attributively and predicatively. Okay, children, I hope you all understood today's class. With this, we will wind up today's class, children. Thank you and have a nice day.